Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Welcome to Policy 2023 coaching. So, discuss tangents and secants to a circle. Previous questions from tangents and secants to a circle in 2019 paper. The first question is, a tangent is drawn from an external point P to the circle of 8 centimeter radius. If the length of the tangent is 15 centimeter, then the distance between the center to the circle of and point P is okay. So for suppose draw a circle, is center be the origin O, and let P be an external point of the circle P. This is the tangent of the circle. And so tangent touches at Q on the circle. So ఈ స్పర్శరేఖ అనేది Q అనే బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శిస్తుంది అనుకుంటే, and the radius of the circle is equal to 8 centimeters. The length of the radius is, this is the radius of the circle, 8 centimeters. And if the length of the tangent is 15 centimeters, the length of the tangent is 15 centimeters. So find the distance from the center to the point P. So find this distance. Let this distance is small x. So we know that it is a right angle triangle. So OQP is a right triangle. From this Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is equal to x square. X square is equal to remaining side square means 80 square plus 15 square. 80 square means 64 plus 15 square means 225. So 5 plus 4 9 and 2 plus 6 8 remain 2. X square is equal to 289. Where x is equal to so 17 square is equal to 289. So x is equal to 17 centimeters. So the distance from the origin to external point P is equal to 17 centimeters. So మనకు కావాల్సిన స్పర్శరేఖ P అనే బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శిస్తే ఆ స్పర్శరేఖ యొక్క బిందువు P ఏదైతే బాహ్య బిందువు ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ బాహ్య బిందువు నుండి కేంద్రానికి గల దూరాన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. అది ఎంత అవుతుందంటే మనకి 17 సెంటీమీటర్లు అవుతుంది. ఇది మనకి సో 2019 లో ఇచ్చిన వన్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. అండ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ in 2019 from tangents and secants to a circle is two concentric circles of a radii 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Radii means radius. 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters are drawn. A chord of bigger circle becomes a tangent of smaller circle. Then the length of its chord is okay. So clearly draw a circles, concentric circles. So means two circles have a common center. Is called the concentric circles. So both are have a common center, common origin. For suppose this is the smaller circle. The radius of the smaller circle is equal to 5 centimeters. And the radius of the bigger circle is equal to 12 centimeters. This is the 12 centimeters. The chord of the bigger circle is equal to the tangent of the smaller circle. So this is the chord of the bigger circle, and also this is the tangent of the circle. Or this is the chord of the bigger circle and the tangent of the smaller circle. So we know that this is the radius of the smaller circle, and this is the radius of the bigger circle. This is the radius of the smaller circle. So 5 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the length of the tangent. Find the length of the tangent or length of the chord. So find this distance. Find this distance. So it's form again right angle triangle. It's form again right angle triangle. So to find the length of the tangent or chord. So to find, this is also a chord, this is also a length of the tangent of the smaller circle. So any them find. We know that it is also a form a right angle triangle. It is also form a right angle triangle. Now the length of the tangent or the length of the chord is equal to hypotenuse of the OPQ. PQ is a chord of the bigger circle and tangent of the smaller circle, and OB the origin. We know that by this Pythagoras theorem, choose x square is equal to the length of the tangent or length of the chord is equal to x. X square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square means 144 and 5 square means 25, and 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. X square is equal to 169. X is equal to root over 169. X is equal to 13 centimeters. The length of the chord is equal to 13 centimeters. ఇది మనకి 2019 లో వచ్చిన సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. సో ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 2018 from tangents and secants to a circle. The first question: a square of side 3 centimeters is circumscribed by a circle, then the area of the circle is. Then the area of the circle అని చెప్పి మనకి 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా సో సొల్యూషన్ అని చేద్దాం. Thus a square of draw a circle. First draw a circle, and this is the square of the circumscribed circle. This is the square of the circumscribed triangle. So the length of the side is equal to 3 centimeters. It is a square, so all sides are equal. This is also 3 centimeters. This is the diameter of the circle. This is the diameter of the circle. So we know that from the right angle triangle, from this Pythagoras theorem, for suppose diameter is x, x square is equal to side square means 3 square plus remaining side square 3 square. X square is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So x is equal to square root of 18 and x is equal to 3 root 2. The length of the diameter of the circle is equal to 3 by 2. Radius of the circle. Radius of the circumscribed circle is radius of the circle is r is equal to diameter by 2, means 3 root 2 by 2 centimeters. 3 root 2 by 2 is equal to root 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2. So because 2 means root 2 into root 2. So 3 root 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by root 2. The radius of the circle is equal to 3 by root 2. Okay. To find the area of the circle. We know that the area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So pi r square means pi means 22 by 7. R square means 3 by root 2 into 3 by root 2. So 3 by root 2 into 3 by root 2. Second, 22 into 3 3s are 9. So by root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So 7 into 2. 2 are 2 11s are. So 11 9s are 99 by 7. So 99 by 7 centimeters is equal to, so 7 1s are 7, remaining 2. So 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28, remaining 1. So 14.1 centimeters. 14.1 centimeters. The area of the required circle is equal to 14.1 centimeters. So the another question. The second question is, there are two concentric circles of a radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. If a chord of the larger circle is tangent of the smaller circle, find its length. Find its length. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఏమన్నాడంటే 2019లో సేమ్ ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి రిపీట్ అయింది. మనం సేమ్ అంటే కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ మీన్స్ both circles have a common center. For suppose this is one of the circle and this is the smaller circle. So this is the center of the two circles. The radius of there are two concentric circles of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is the chord of the bigger circle and this is also tangent of the smaller circle. And it is also a radius of the bigger circle. So 5 centimeters. We know that the length of the tangent already discussed from this Pythagoras theorem. X square is equal to side square plus side square. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16 is equal to 25. So x square is equal to 25. X is equal to this is a 5 centimeters. 5 square means 25. So 25 plus 9, 34. X square is equal to 34. X is equal to square root of 34. So means 34. So x is equal to the length of the tangent, or the length of the tangent is equal to root 34. సో ఈ విధంగా ఏంటంటే మనకి 2018లో క్వశ్చన్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. దీన్ని మనం పైథాగరస్ థియరం యూజ్ చేసుకొని చేయొచ్చు. ద అనదర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ 2018. సో 2018లో ఇచ్చిన వేరే క్వశ్చన్ మనం చూసుకుంటే అదర్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఏ సెక్టార్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ 60 degrees of a circle of diameter is 42 centimeters. The area of a sector, suppose this is a circle and the diameter of the circle 42 centimeters. Radius small r is equal to diameter by 2. So diameter is equal to 42 centimeters by 2 is equal to 21 centimeters. So remaining to find the area of the sector and angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. The area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi into r square. That is equal to theta means 60 degrees. 60 by 360 into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into remaining r square. R is equal to 21 centimeters. R square means 21 into 21. సో రిమైనింగ్ జీరోకి జీరో క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, 6 1s are 6 6s are. సో అండ్ 3 2s are 3 7s are 21. Again 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 1s are. Remaining 22 into 21 by 2, 2 1s are 2 11s are. So finally 11 into 21, 11 into 21. So means 21 21 1 3 231. 231 centimeter square. 231 centimeter square. So the area of the sector is equal to 231 centimeter square. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this